Materials include a candle, preferably a thick candle, markers, tissue paper, the picture of your choice, parchment paper, and a blow dryer. Trace the picture of your choice onto the tissue paper and cut the excess. Then place it on the candle facing upwards. Next, place the parchment paper on top of the drawing and hold it down. Now heat the drawing with your blow dryer on high heat for 30 to 50 seconds. Now slowly remove the parchment paper. You're all done! Make custom candles for holidays or as gifts.